Hello to everyone in the world. Today I want to show you something really nice. Okay, I'm talking about this Argos 175 watt mercury vapor Nema Head air light. Now I got it from a friend of Mexico, and that's why it's in Spanish. I really want a Nema fixture, so here you have it. In Mexico you can still find some mercury vapor fixtures. That's why this thing is here. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. This is an unboxing video, obviously. Argos, this is the brand, obviously. This is security lamp, I think. Yeah. Then mercury vapor of mercury, it's basically the same. And then we have some like, I think, well, this is the front, and here we have some instructions about how this thing works, and some diagrams, some warnings about how to install, and the risks. And here is the other part of the box, and basically the same in the other side, the top, and it's basically the same of the sides. Okay, so let's open this thing. The bottom is nothing else, it's just cardboard. So let's take a look of the inside. Okay, first we have the reflector, and oh, that's in English. Warning. There the warnings about the rays of fire and the type of lamp that these things use, obviously a 175 watt mercury vapor, and the ANSI code type H39 lamp. Okay, this is the reflector. Then we have the refractor, obviously PVC, I think this plastic is. Okay, that's the refractor. Then we have the bulb in this sleeve, kinda really ugly, this sleeve. Anyway, here you have mercury vapor 175 watts Argos, and here are some instructions and warnings. Okay, it's kinda hard to take this thing out. Okay, here's the bulb, 175 bulb, with the brand here, Argos mercury vapor 175 H1004. The coating, really nice coating. It's kinda thick, the coating inside there, and the R tube, brand new R tube. Okay, and then we have this cardboard piece of this thing. This is the ballast, the voltage. Here you just pull this thing out. It's just cardboard, and there you have the ballast, the 4-cell, well, the 4-cell outlet. I don't know how to call correctly that. And here you have some wire, wires, and the waterproof piece. Okay, So the mogul base and the ballast inside there. So that's the ballast. And here is the photocell, Argos photocell. Here all of this stuff is Argos. Simple and nice photocell. Remove, install, ignore it, and some instructions. Here you can see there the photocell, the instructions, the box. And finally we have these nails and all that stuff to mount in. So that's basically all that come in the box. You can see the ballast, the bulb, the refractor, the photocell, and that's much it. So I'm going to make another video of this thing turning on. Thanks for watching.